JavaScript has a few built-in primitive types. One of them is a boolean, which can have the literal values true or false. Another primitive type is number, which can hold any floating point 64-bit value. Then there is string, which can hold any number of characters, for example the text world. In addition to these primitives, there are two special primitives for absence of data. Undefined, to indicate if a value is not yet defined, and null, which is used to indicate if a value is not present. Now, modern JavaScript also introduces two additional primitive types: the symbol type to create globally unique identifiers, and a big int type to hold arbitrarily large whole numbers. TypeScript provides predefined lowercase type names for these JavaScript primitives. These names actually follow what these types are called within the JavaScript spec. So if we wanted, we could annotate a boolean as a variable of type boolean, the number as a variable of type number, the string as a variable of type string, and for undefined and null, there are predefined literal types, undefined and null, and for the symbol, there is a predefined type symbol, and for big ints, there is a predefined type big int. Now, type names in TypeScript generally follow the Pascal case convention. The only type names that are lowercase by default are these types, as these are known as primitive types in JavaScript and are fundamental to how JavaScript works.